Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix updated Microsoft 365 stuck-in problem. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically for this video, we're just going to follow this answer here in the Microsoft community on the Microsoft blog. So basically, as you can see here, the solution for such problem is to simply try to use an online repair or a quick repair on your Microsoft product so you can be able to start using them or to kind of restart their configuration so they can be working. And basically, the way to do it is to simply go to your apps and feature from the menu or the start menu. So as you can see here, you will need just to go to start menu and basically you will need just to repair them. And by going to the app settings, you will find this option to repair them. And basically, you will be able to start the process. And now let's just do it. So basically here we want to go to the start menu. Now you will be needing to search for apps and feature. By clicking on apps and feature, you will find all your apps. So it depends on the version that you are using of Microsoft. Either you are going to have like the whole bundle like that, or you will have like specific application. You can search for Excel or Microsoft Office or whatever. In my case, I have like this launcher, and you would choose the language. So I'm using the English one. So I'm just going to click on modify. I'm going to click on yes. And basically here, you will find quick repair and online repair. So by clicking on online repair, you will be able to fix all issues, but it takes a little longer and requires an internet connection throughout. And basically, you will need just to click on repair, and basically, you will have the problem solved. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.